What exactly is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is the practice of advertising the products of others in exchange for a modest commission upon every sale. Affiliates are given a special link known as an affiliate link by companies. There are three parties involved that makes affiliate marketing possible at its most rudimentary form. They are: merchant. The merchant is the one who develops the merchandise or product. Publishers. The publisher promotes the product created by the merchant to a target audience. Customers. The customer is the final destination for all product created by the merchant. This stage is what makes affiliate marketing revolve. Affiliate marketing's merits and demerits. Merits of affiliate marketing: minimal risk. You don't have to spend anything to get started. It is simple to implement. All you have to do is promote and sell the product, and that is all. Passive earnings. After a content around your product, it would be on the internet for years, and whenever someone purchased through your link, you still get paid. Demerits of affiliate marketing. Patience is vital. Affiliate marketing is not an overnight success scheme, therefore be ready for a long and grueling journey. Affiliates have no authority over the program. Affiliates need follow the company's guidelines for their program. How can you get started with affiliate marketing? Choose a platform, choose your niche, grow a following, locate your products, make affiliate-friendly content. The full article will be linked in the description section below. If you have learnt a thing or two in this video, please hit the like button. And if you want more content like this, do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. See you in the next video.